Alright, here's day 2. Fire's still going. Beautiful day on the lake. Pioneer cabin. That does not look safe. Alright, that top log's about ready to swing and hit you in the head. Corey's kids are watching. Don't do as he says, not as he does. A lot of things that are not safe around here, including this step. Hey, and there we are. Looks like a dance floor. Pretty much got everything out of here. And ready to start disassembling from the top to the bottom. Logs are held in, looks like 3-4 spikes on each log, so it's going to be dual sawzalls here for the next, hopefully get it all down in 4 or 5 hours. Probably just on the end there, other side of the door. Let it rip. Be my guess, somewhere in there. Oh. Move your ladder over, Corey. You got one more left. By the way, I think the world came to an end. We heard explosions earlier today and haven't heard a plane since. And their cell phone reception is out. So that's curious. Give it hell, Corey. Oh, there goes the California cooler. Okay, well, one log down and many more to go. Well, we got about halfway down. It's going pretty good. Just very few spikes between the logs. There wasn't much holding it together other than sheer gravity. But definite benefit is it opens up the view big time. Well, 2 days in and we're pretty much down to the floor. Pretty good feeling. Lots of bent sawzall blades. Lots of coffee. A little bit of Coors Light. So, dealing with all the small strips of insulation they put between the logs is probably the biggest pain. But really opens up the view. And down to the 1970s glue-on vinyl flooring, and we're basically just taking the logs as we take them off the building and put them back in place. We labeled all the corners, southwest, northeast, etc., so we know where the joints are on the end walls, and labeled them in order from top to bottom, so we know how to put it back together. Going pretty good. I'm pretty happy for just 2 days out here. So. Alright, got her done. The end of day 2. We even slept in this morning a little bit. Managed to knock it out, got all the walls down. What a beautiful day. It's supposed to rain all day today, or off and on most of the day, but it turned out to be pretty sunny, partly cloudy, and fairly hot by late afternoon. But got everything down. I think we're going to decide to keep the floor and just reinforce it. All the side logs are ready to go back up whenever we finish the foundation. Just reinforce the foundation. throw down a couple more full-size trees from all the beetle kill that we have here. Ton of logs, white spruce trees everywhere. We dropped a few last year, and it's perfect timing. God knows what he's doing.